NYU marketing professor Scott Galloway is here with us in the studio. Scott, good to see you.
Thanks for having me.
Presuming that Mr. Musk is serious about taking Tesla private, what do you make of this?
This is unusual. I mean, stay tuned because there's two words in that tweet were very unusual. Funding secured.
Yeah, I saw that.
Because if it's got about a $60 billion market cap, so you would probably need about an $80 billion take private price tag. It's not easy to take a company that's losing money private, so unless there's some sort of sovereign wealth fund.
Well, to that point, the Financial Times has a story today, or I don't know when they ran it, but just in the last few minutes, I believe. But anyway, they do have a story today about Saudi Arabia's sovereign wealth fund.
Yeah.
And the story says that the Saudi sovereign wealth fund has been building up a stake in Tesla. And we don't know exactly. It's undisclosed. We don't know how big it is because it's below 5%. So I don't believe they have to report it. But the Saudi sovereign wealth fund has been building up, according to the FT at least, a stake.
Yeah, at 5%, you got to file a D or a passive. But what's unusual here is that if in fact there are people looking to take it private with him, he didn't do them any favors by announcing this and saying the funding was secure, because all he's doing is making it more expensive and sort of thumbing his nose at analysts. And I don't know. The takeaway I get from this is, he's not going to go cash flow. He's not going to be profitable in Q3 and Q4, and doesn't want to put up with the vagaries and the demands of being public, which are difficult every 3 months, the short-term nature of the public markets. That's why Michael Dell took his company private.
Right.
But this is definitely a story that's going to unfold here.
Yeah, it was strange. That's what I was thinking when it first broke, because James Freeman from the Journal was in here at the time, and that's what I was just thinking in my head. I was saying to myself, well, maybe Elon Musk doesn't want to be a publicly traded CEO of a publicly traded company anymore, the quarter-to-quarter thing, like you said. But, as James pointed out, if you're a company that doesn't make money, kind of neat. The public markets are kind of a nice thing to have to raise some money,
the public markets are generally the cheapest source of capital for a visionary, a storyteller like Elon Musk. I mean, this is a company that trades at 7 or 8 times revenues now, versus most automobile companies that trade at 0.5 to 1 times revenue. So the public markets have been very, very good to Elon Musk. It's amazing. I mean, when I first saw this, I thought it was a hoax.
Well, you can't dismiss that. And I think you're just right to point it out and I know it was April 1st, and he was joking around, but he caught a lot of people with that. It was a silly, probably thing to do in retrospect, to joke around about bankruptcy. But it's not like he hasn't said some strange things or tweeted some strange things in the past, right?
Well, keep in mind, the last earnings call, the expectations were, analysts were saying, we're hoping to not see any more errant behavior. Yeah. And that apology was probably the most valuable apology in the history of business, where for apologizing and acting like a grown-up, the stock was up, the stock rocketed up 10 or 11%. Then it's up another 7%. So this stock seems to be moving on what I'd call sort of the wrong stuff right now. But again, it's just so hard to tell. This is a big story today. I get the sense tomorrow, and the next day, it's going to be even a bigger story. What is going on here?
We don't know.
Yeah, and is this a hoax? Is this him behaving errantly or irrationally? But when you say funding secured in public markets and the stock goes up 7%, boy, there better be a there.
Yeah, have you ever seen a public announcement like this before?
Typically, when a CEO wants to take his company private, he slowballs or he downtalks the stock because he'd rather make it cheaper, such that on the back end he gets a higher upside. So I just don't get this. I don't know what's going on here. And it'll be interesting to see what you guys come up with. But when I first saw it, it was a real head scratcher for me.
All right, thanks, Scott. It's good to see you, by the way.
Good to see you.
And thanks for with your expertise playing along with this topic. At least we appreciate it. So.